Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to drain Midea portable air conditioner. Is your Midea portable air conditioner showing a full water tank alert? Here's how to drain it safely and easily at home. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the unit. Always start by switching it off and unplugging for safety. Step 2. Locate the drain plug. Look near the button back of the AC. You will see a small rubber drain plug or cap. Step 3. Prepare a shallow container or tray. Place it right under the drain hole to catch the water. You can also use a towel to avoid spills. Step 4. Remove the drain plug slowly. Pull out the rubber plug or unscrew the cap. Water will start flowing out. Step 5. Let it drain completely. Wait until all the water is out. If it's a lot, you may need to empty the container midway. Step 6. Reseal the drain. Once drained, wipe the area dry, then put the plug or cap back tightly in place. Step 7. Plug in and turn the AC back on. Now you are done. The warning light should disappear and your unit will start cooling again. That's it. Draining your Midea AC is quick and simple. If this video helped you out, like the video, subscribe and tap the bell for more videos. See you in the next one.